Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to install Python on a Windows 11 PC, step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Python website. Type in python.org or just click the link in the description. Once you're on the home page, hover over the Downloads tab. It should automatically detect your operating system, in this case, Windows. Click the big yellow Download Python button. As of now, the latest version is Python 3.1.3.3. But yours might be newer, and that's totally fine. Once the download finishes, click to run the installer. Important: before clicking Install Now, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. After that, click Install Now and let the installation run. It'll take a few seconds to complete. Once the setup is done, you'll see a screen that says Setup was successful. Click Close. Now, let's confirm that Python is installed properly. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and open the command prompt. In the terminal, type Python _version. You should see the version number of Python you just installed. If you do, congrats, Python is now installed. You can also search for idle in the Start menu. This is Python's built-in editor. It's a great place to run quick scripts or learn basic syntax. Just open it and you can start coding right away. Try typing print, "Hello world," and hit enter. And that's it. Python is now up and running on your Windows 11 machine. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick coding tutorials. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding!